In this video, you'll learn how to edit an existing booking in Venue Manager. We'll go through the booking tabs, update key booking details like the booking holder, date, time, quantities and resources, and adjust the order with discounts, tax changes, and notes. We'll also use the activity stream to log calls and send emails, so the booking remains the central record for all activity. Start by searching for the booking you need to update. Use the search bar, the search icon in the menu, or go to Bookings and use filters in the All Bookings grid. When you open the booking, you'll see the booking record where you can review and make changes. Before you edit anything, take some time to understand the full booking record. Use the tabs across the top, details for booking holder information and notes, order for what's been booked and the booking totals, items for item level details, payments to review payment history, documents for forms and waiver-related documents, contacts and staff for assigned people and internal context. On the right, the activity stream shows what's happened on the booking, and availabilities is where you add items or reschedule sessions. To change who the booking is under, go to the Details tab. Under Contact Details, select Change Booking Holder. Then start typing the new booking holder's email address. If the guest has attended before, select their record to populate their details. Then select Save to confirm the change. To change the booking date, go to the Order tab and use the Date selector in the Booking Items section. Choose the new booking date and select Save. This updates the booking date, but it doesn't automatically change a session time. For session time changes, you'll reschedule through Availabilities. To reschedule a session time, use the Availabilities tab in the right panel. Set the date to the guest's preferred day. Filter to the product if needed. Then select the new session time and quantity and add it to the booking. After you've added the new session, remove the original session items from the order using the trash icon. Then select Save and Reserve to confirm the update. To adjust ticket or item quantities, stay on the Order tab and update the quantity field for the line you want to change. You can use the arrows or type the exact quantity into the field. Select Save so the booking totals and availability stay accurate. To add products to an existing booking, use the Availabilities panel on the right. The date defaults to the booking date. Then you can choose the product, search, select the time and quantity, and add the items to the booking. To remove a product or ticket line, use the trash icon next to the item in the order. Always select Save to apply the changes. If you need to change assigned resources, scroll to the bottom of the order and select Edit Resources. Choose the updated resource and apply it. If a resource is unavailable for that time, it will appear unavailable and can't be selected. Select Save to confirm the resource update. To apply an adjustment like a discount, go to the Order tab and select Redeem Benefit. Choose whether you're applying a discount code, a fixed amount, or a percentage. Then enter the value and select Save. You'll see the discount displayed as a line item, and the booking total updates immediately. You can also adjust tax on a booking from the Order tab. If needed, you can toggle tax off. You'll need to enter the required information and select Confirm. Then select Save to recalculate the totals. To keep important context attached to the booking, use Notes. In the Details tab, add booking notes for internal staff using Venue Manager. Add POS notes when you want staff at POS to see the message too. Select Save so the notes are stored on the booking record. The activity stream is where you can see a timeline of what's happened on the booking. Use filters to focus on logs for booking changes, emails sent to guests, or calls that staff have logged. This helps you confirm what changed, when it changed, and who actioned it. To keep all guest communication attached to the booking, you can send emails directly from the activity stream. Select the email icon, enter a subject and message, then send it. If the guest replies, the response can be managed in the Activity Center, while the booking remains the single source of truth for all communication. If you take a call from the guest, log it here as well. Select the phone icon, enter your notes, and log the call. This ensures that anyone reviewing the booking can see what was discussed without needing a separate system. You now know how to navigate the booking tabs to understand the full booking record. You can update booking details, add or remove items, adjust discounts and tax, and document important context with notes. And you can use the activity stream to send emails and log calls, keeping the booking as your single source of truth.